Hello everyone, do you want to make something like this? And by the way, I have just cleared my first year MBBS with a distinction, and this was a happy news for me and all my family and well wishers. Yeah, so let's dive into this video and yeah, let's see the procedure. This is a process of customized book cover. I would love to customize because I never get the desired design whenever I look around. Well, all you need is a glitter foam sheets, scissors, gum or fevicol, stars, squints and some creativity though. I wanna try a neutral rainbow, hence only I cut the glitter foam sheets according to the sizes. I've chosen brown, white, pink, orange, so to enhance the look. Well, the rainbow is ready, but I feel there's something empty there, so I decided to give a small coat. I want to just have a cute coat that I added chase the rainbows because it is all the happiness. I cut down the blue paper and I decorated by drawing some lines and dots. I wrote on that chase rainbows. As I said, I love having the cute quotes on my book car. To even more enhance the look, I added the stars which my bro had in his old art book when he was in first class. Oh my god, this is very hilarious, I know, but still I have those stars very pretty. Then I have this small little squints which caught my eyes, and this was also found in his book. So I just bought the content, these two contents, and I just placed down. So I could not think this old material would be helpful for me as of now. I started placing them using glue and I started placing them according to the order that I wanted, the way and it looked like. So here's the outcome. And as I said, these little squints have just caught my eyes and I placed them using a gum. And also a short reminder for this short video, do like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like this, and also to motivate me. Well, let's come back and take a final look now though. Ta-da!